Hello, Scott from GARDENWORKS here. It's almost September, or it probably is September by the time you see this, and goodness me, there's so many new fresh plants that we can use in planters and in the garden as well to freshen things up for fall and for winter. We could start with some of the iconic fall and winter things like garden mums or the cabbages and kales that are for ornamental, and they're just starting to bring some color. The cooler it gets, the more vivid that'll get. We also have pansies. So the pansies are an iconic fall and winter thing. There's so many colors to choose from. And then there's a lot of things that you don't necessarily think of as iconic, but are fabulous for fall. The foliage of a lot of perennials is really great. Things like the hookers, this dark purple one, or this creme brulee, that's an amazing color. We can even use some of the herbs like sage. This is a tricolor sage. And we can also, just for bright color, throw a few things in there that are just fantastic color like the celosia. So what we're going to do is I want to put together a fall planter that'll last all fall and through the winter. You can always throw a few extra things in there once the big winter comes, some branches or something like that. But we should get started putting this together. It's going to look fabulous. Well, that was easy, and you know what the most difficult thing with that? It didn't take that long for me to put it together. The most difficult thing was choosing the plants. There are just so many other choices I didn't even mention in the beginning. The heavenly bamboo I ended up using, which will just get more fall color, and this Cryptomeria black dragon. So, wow, you can make an amazing planter. There's so many great plants to choose from, and this is completely fresh, really long lasting. Might have to replace the celosia when it gets cooler, or perhaps the mum back in November. And that's great because you'll have other choices to freshen it up again.